I will talk to him in a minute. Get in your car now!
Tell him, take it. I'm a good Samaritan.
We instructed you to do something,
I'm a good
and
Samaritan
you refused to do it.
I'm a good Samaritan who stopped to help a kid, and this is what happened. Okay, stop growing me. I'll get up on my own. You're hurting me.
Now!
Oh,
Picture this. A highway blocked, a frantic Good Samaritan caught between a kid in trouble and a strict police investigation. Watch as tempers flare, wrists get grabbed, and chaos erupts, all while a concerned father tries to catch up. Will this Good Samaritan help or get herself arrested? Stay tuned to see how this wild highway showdown ends. You won't believe the drama.
Can you move your car, please? Thank you. My man, is your car drivable?
Yes.
All right, we're going to get it off to the side of the road, all right?
All I'm saying is I can leave. I just want to tell his father.
You don't have to leave. Just move your car.
I just want you to tell me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
all right,
okay.
let's have a seat right over here, bud. Is that your mom?
No.
No?
You want to talk to his father here? Why don't you talk to his father?
I'm working. Can you please go sit in your car? You have nothing to do with
His
this
father,
scene. I
he's
understand.
a minor. I'm an attorney because he's a minor. You need to tell me, is he going to be here?
I don't need to tell you anything. I'm going to arrest you in a second if you don't get in your car. Do you understand me? I'm not kidding you.
You are kidding.
You are impeding an investigation right now, and you're really bothering me. Go sit in your car.
What
I will talk to him in a minute. Get in your car now!
Tell him, take it. No, you do not touch me. Oh my God, stop!
What are you doing?
Oh my God,
What
stop
are you doing?
it! Are you kidding me?
Knock it off!
You will be.
Knock it off!
No, you get your hands off me
Knock
right now.
it off.
Get your hands off me.
All right. Yes.
Tell him to get his hands off
Yes,
me.
I do.
Tell him to get his hands off me right now. Oh my God! Are you
Stop!
fucking kidding me?
Stop!
No, I'm not stopping. Are you fucking kidding me, right? Stop it. No, I guys are so trying. Can you record this?
It's recording.
Record it.
I'm wearing a body cam.
Record it. I understand, but why am I under arrest?
Because you weren't listening to anything we were saying.
Oh my God, you're not listening to father or something. Oh my God, okay, I will come down. Can you please?
Take a breather.
No, you
relax.
take a breather.
I'm fine.
Like, I'm really right now. Can you just let me
I'm not
move my
beating you
arms
at all.
I just moved my arm so it doesn't hurt. I'm sorry.
How about you stop resisting?
And
you let us put you in handcuffs.
My shoulder is dislocated and you're making it worse.
Well, rescue
Can I
can look at
please?
you.
Yes. Oh my God.
Sit up.
Can you please call Bob Barber?
Sit up.
Call Bob Barber right now.
Who's that?
He's in Narragansett, please. Please call him.
Well, we're not in there again.
I understand that. I cannot believe you. Take this fucking off me right
Okay,
now.
50. I have one in custody,
Oh my
disorderly
God.
and resisting.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
Stop.
No!
Stop talking.
No! No! This is so ridiculous. I cannot even believe this.
And
Oh my
let's go
God.
put her in my car.
I just wanted to know. I could tell his father if he's going to the hospital. I'm not even involved in this. I can't believe this.
That was our point the whole time.
I cannot believe this.
That was our point the
You
whole
were
time. You are
screaming
not
at me.
involved.
Oh
You
my
are not
God.
involved.
I'm a good
We
Samaritan.
instructed you to do something,
I'm a good
and you
Samaritan
refused to do it.
I'm a good Samaritan who stopped to help a kid, and this
Let's
is
go.
what happened. Okay, stop growing me. I'll get up on my own. You're hurting me.
Now!
Oh my God, stop it. Ow! Ow! I want my phone. It's over there. What am I doing? He's pulling my... Hey, stop. Get my shoe. Please get my shoe.
Okay.
Get my... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot even believe this. No. This man is beating the shit out of me. Holy shit. Yes, he is. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the crazy. I've never... Stop pushing me, please. I will walk. Are you kidding me? You guys don't know how much trouble you're in. I'm gonna see you both for assault. I know.
What's that?
You're in so much trouble. I can't even tell you. Oh my God, this is the craziest thing I've ever in my entire. I'm not gonna relax. I can't. I don't have to. You guys, where do you get this machismo shit? This is bullshit. I need my phone. It's on the ground over there.
I will grab it.
Call my husband. He's also an attorney.
Go ahead, get it.
This is so bad. Yeah. I
Grab your
can't
shit.
even.
The phone's right here.
Oh, surprise.
Find her key, but the car started up. So it's in there somewhere.
The key's probably on her.
Would it start up from like, yeah? All right.
If the car's on and running with a push to start, the car's on and running, it will run as long as the key's in a certain distance, which this is probably a certain distance. Now you
Did you take a key off of her?
Her?
Yeah, when you, I didn't either.
Did you put grab her pocketbook and everything?
She didn't, she was just out of the car. All we have is her cell phone, a shoe, glasses.
That's it. The key's either on her person, most likely, or the key's in her pocketbook. Does it say, key not in vehicle?
No, because it started right up.
Wait, so the key's in the car?
Yeah, I just couldn't find it though.
Oh, that's okay. Probably like a cup holder or like in
Alright, you want me to move his Volvo?
Hey, can't move it.
It won't go.
I would have moved it. Why don't you bring her back? Started before, but why don't you bring her back? Get her out of here. Get her. I'm assuming if she's an attorney, she's got nothing. We'll get her and she cut her loose.
Right.
And then go from there.
Alright.
Yeah, I heard you guys say one in custody. I'm like, oh, here we go.
It was so unnecessary.
Yeah.
But like my tolerance for that is like, I'm just like, listen,
It's
you're
dangerous.
not going to
You're in the
listen to
middle
what
of
I'm
a
saying.
highway.
We're in the middle of a highway.
Yeah.
Get in your car and get off the highway.
All I was
And we fucking stood her up too. She started screaming like belligerent. The kid was even more freaked out than anything.
How old's the kid that was? I don't know.
05 is his birthday. 17.
Oh, that's Mike's.
This video highlights how quickly good intentions can collide with law enforcement protocols, teaching us that even when trying to help, it's important to stay calm and respect police authority. Miscommunication and escalation can worsen situations, emphasizing the need for clear boundaries during interventions. Lastly, it reminds viewers of the importance of understanding legal rights while cooperating fully to avoid unnecessary conflict.
Let me just roll the window down. Do you have your car key on you? Where in your car is it? Okay. Alright, I'll let the tow truck driver know.
Dave told my bike.
Little black pouch, she said in her car.
That works. You can get her out of here.
Alright.
She calmed down a little bit now?
It's better than she was. I wonder how she'll be in the block, but somebody will be at the station to help me.
Yeah, I'll head back.
Go ahead, Clayton.
We'll have the full flag. Bike will have, I think, a